4-player chess, free-for-all, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There are 2 main ways to play. The first is that the objective of the game is to be the last player standing, while the second is to play for points. Set up the board with each player's queen on the black spaces. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. Players are not allowed to table talk strategy, nor are they allowed to team up or form alliances. Your pawns are promoted to queens when they reach the 8th row from your side of the board. En passant is not allowed. Checkmate and stalemate are only determined once the player being threatened has had a turn and a chance to respond to the threat. When a player is checkmated, that player is eliminated from the game, but all their pieces remain on the board. These pieces do not move, they cannot check a king, and you may not pass a piece through them. If you wish to occupy a space with an eliminated player's piece on it, then you must capture that piece. If a player is stalemated, then they are eliminated from the game unless there are only 2 players left. Then the game ends in a draw between those 2 players. The game ends when 3 players are eliminated and the last player remaining wins. If you are playing for points, points are earned in the following way. Checkmating an opponent is worth 20 points. Stalemating yourself is 20. Stalemating an opponent gives 10 points to each player still in the game. Checking more than 1 king simultaneously with your queen gives 1 point if it's 2 kings, and 5 points for 3. Checking more than 1 king simultaneously with a piece other than a queen gives you 5 points for 2 kings, and 20 for 3. Capturing active pieces gives you 1 point for a pawn, or promoted pawn, 3 for a knight, 5 for a bishop, 5 for a rook, and 9 for a queen. Eliminated players' pieces remain on the board, but if you capture those pieces, you do not get any points for them. When there is only 1 player left, or when the remaining players are stalemated, then the game ends and the player with the most points wins.